I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World. God has appointed me as a Mother of the World, and every day God is telling us and calling us at God's house, and every day God is teaching many excellent lessons to us, and after then He instruct us to convey this message for benefit of entire humanity and happiness for all living beings in the world. So that today, early in the morning, 4 to 5, God has teach us and give instruction to convey this message for benefit of entire humanity and happiness of all living beings in the world. This message is as under. Importance of human beings, potentialities, capacities, human values within human bodies, why some negativities and problems comes in human lives, what are the solutions for removal of such negativities and problems for human lives. First, importance of human lives. Our self, यानी कि human lives is very important. God has created excellent and ultimate human lives with gifted human bodies structure. Human body structure. God has gifted us to entire humanity. God has installed all powers and capabilities in human bodies. God's live powers are in every souls in human bodies. God always meet to every eager and demanded human in hearts of human beings. God's meeting places are two. Out of them, human hearts, and another is God's own home. We can meet God at two places. Potentialities in human lives, what we are seeing in corporeal world, all are in human bodies too. After human hearts enlightened by spiritual powers and knowledge, the old persons can develop inside human bodies. Men can feel, see, know, understand all things of corporeal world inside such enlightened human persons' bodies. Every single person can spiritually develop and meet God, get all powers and capabilities, then become equal to God and performs God's duties in 7 beautiful worlds. Capacities. After enlightenment of human hearts, divine energy spreads entire human body and purification of their lower selves, belly button, naps, devil, evil, dog, Maya, Ravan, 5 vikars, and all 7 celestial souls inside human bodies. Then by spiritually powers, all 7 souls can travel, visit and see, know all places in 7 beautiful worlds and meet with God at God's home too. Human values within human bodies. Knowledge knowledge, purities, love, peace, happiness, powers, and pleasure are main seven values inside human bodies. Every single person can develop and increase more and more up to sky is the limit. Then such persons can transfer above human values in any eager and demanded such persons. Those wants these seven human values in their lives. Why some negativities and problems comes in human lives? Main sources for negativities and problems comes from excess practices with lust, eager, anger, greeds, attachments, and ego. Majority people are not knowing systems and technique how they can be extreme happy and enlightened by spirituality practices, so that majority people are trying to get their happiness from bodies, materialistic things, and relationships with negative persons and their bodies. This path is shortcut. So majority people accept this shortcut path and through wrong path and practices people play by negativities in societies. Majority people are not understand the values, hard works. So majority people and rulers in all countries earn money by corrupt wrong practices. So injustices, imbalances always increase negativities and problems in societies. Some solutions for removal of such negativities and problems. When majority people will make enlighten their hearts by input God's name in their hearts, then such people start doing all positivity practices, taking care, giving regards, accept all spiritual good messages from all religions books. He starts to live with all living beings and especially with people with love, regards, accept all as global family members. Start hard works with his knowledge together with all types of persons living in this beautiful seven worlds. So such people will develop materialistic and spiritually, so get happiness of all kind of happiness such people can get. Such people, such noble persons always speak by their mouth and works their hands and all bodies parts, so all human beings can feel safety, peace, tension-free life. All people must understand that God is one. He has created these beautiful seven worlds and all creations for love, regards, accepts all people to each other. Live and let live all happily. All people must know that all have to show their works to God at the time of judgmental day and transformation of this world with God. God will give Jannat or Jahannam, Swarg or Nark, heaven or darkness world. Happiness or sorrowful life as per their works, as per their deeds in their lives. So all people can remove all negativities from their lives and all problems can solve such ways. You may share your noble experiences, noble ideas, noble thoughts, and noble techniques you are practicing in your noble lives. We seek your all noble experiences, noble thoughts, noble techniques, noble ideas from your noble lives. We will spread your experiences, thoughts, noble techniques, and ideas in entire the world for benefit of all human beings and happiness of all living beings in the seven worlds. You can share on my WhatsApp number is as per India +919898375375. I am repeating my WhatsApp number +919898375375. God bless to everybody. I am praying to God. Hey Almighty God, please shower your blessings on entire humanity and all living beings for their happy, wealthy, and pleasureful life. I will meet from time to time and I will convey the message of God. Today I have conveyed this message which received from house of the God. This message came not from my mind, my own mind, but God has given this message for benefit of entire human beings. I am just serving these noble services as a mother of the world for benefit of entire human beings. God bless to everybody. We will meet from time to time. God bless, God bless, God bless. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.